Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall RentRedi dashboard from your browser, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the RentRedi dashboard from your browser, start by opening your web browser. Locate the menu icon, usually represented by three dots or lines at the top right corner. Click on the menu icon to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this list, select Settings or Preferences, depending on your browser. In the Settings menu, look for Extensions or Add-ons in the sidebar. Click on Extensions or Add-ons to view the list of installed extensions. Scroll through the list until you find the RentRedi dashboard extension. Once located, click on the corresponding Remove or Uninstall button. A confirmation prompt may appear. Confirm that you wish to remove the extension. After confirmation, check to ensure that the RentRedi dashboard is no longer listed among your extensions. Next, it's a good idea to clear your browser cache and cookies. To do this, navigate back to the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Privacy and Security. Under this section, find Clear Browsing Data. Select the time range and ensure both cookies and cache. Click on Clear Data to remove any residual files related to RentRedi. Finally, restart your browser to ensure all changes take effect. With these steps completed, the RentRedi dashboard should be fully uninstalled from your browser. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.